Hi, my name's Tom. This is the WLUPEL cordless vacuum. It's a pretty basic cordless vacuum. Whether you already have a cordless vacuum and you're just looking around, or whether you don't have any vacuums at all, this thing will make your life a whole lot easier. Cordless vacuums are great. They're strong, they're powerful, but you need that cord to go ahead and move around your apartment or your home or whatever to go ahead and clean things up. That's fine. But sometimes you just want to clean up a quick mess. You want to do a quick dusting. You want to get the cobwebs out of the corner. You want to go ahead and just kind of run over to get all the dog hair off the couch. That's where cordless vacuums come in. Look, most of these cordless vacuums are very similar, and this is no exception. This is a simple, basic, no frills one. It's got one battery. Here it is. It bears a battery pack. You charge it up. You just go ahead and plug a little, plug the charger into it and let it go ahead and charge, and it'll charge. That's it. One battery. Some have multiple batteries. You don't need that. Way you do this, you just go ahead and turn it on. That turns it on. Little battery indicator right there tells you the power. I can go ahead and hit the power button. And now it's really, really loud. I'm going to turn it back off, and there we go. Here's how this works. I've got a great big long pole, and here I do have a lit end, and it has an actual reel. I'm going to turn it off. There you go. This is a real vacuum. It works really, really well. All the dust comes right down there. You hit this button, you go ahead and dump it out. It works well. It's also very, very adaptable. I can take this whole thing off, and I can go ahead and just use this. I just click this into here. There we go. I can go out to the car. I can go ahead and vacuum all the dust out of the car between the seats, whatever I need. That's really nice. I can get in all the crevices around the stove and the kitchen. Great. Same thing here. This is kind of an upholstery thing. Also good for dusting. I go ahead and dust off some of my, I'll kind of walk around the apartment, getting all the bookcases with this little brush here. I just go across and I just suck it up. Real nice and easy, super fast. It takes 2 seconds to pull this thing out, go ahead and vacuum everything, and then put it away without having to worry about a cord or pulling it out of a closet or anything like that. This whole pole, by the way, is adjustable, and this comes off as well. So the head, which is lit and motorized, does come off. I can then go ahead and maybe put this onto here, and then put this onto here, and it's actually as long as I can get, but I can shorten it up if I want to, and I can go ahead and get cobwebs. I can go ahead and get the tops of bookcases. I can even get ceiling fans with this thing. That's how easily this is. It works really, really well. Nice and convenient, nice and simple. And by the way, it does come with a little carrying mounting block. It's a little plastic block. You can mount both of your accessories, and you go ahead and hang this in the corner, and it charges. You got a couple screws, you got a couple anchor bolts. Real nice and easy to use. These things are simple, no frills. They work well. This is WLUPEL. This is the one that I actually use. There you go. There's the brand. Um, I like it a lot. You can often find them on Amazon. Just pick up something that looks good to you. If you're going to look for frills, look for extra accessories, look for extra batteries. The power does matter a little bit, but not a whole lot because it's all usually the same. But cordless vacuums really do serve a purpose. They've come a long way, and they're well worth your money, and they're great for convenience, and they really work really nice. I like this one a lot. Highly recommended.